Here at Really Useful Boxes, you can build your own bespoke storage system by going on our website and using our modular system. It's easy to navigate through the menu to choose your range and drawer and box sizes. You can have different sizes in boxes, you can have different sizes in drawers, and if you really want to, you can combine the drawers and boxes to make this a truly bespoke service directly to you. And what I really love about this system is that you can choose your own colour combination. So whether it's a certain colour to match the decor in your home, or maybe you want to organise things via different colour combinations, you've got the choice to do that. Once you're happy with your configuration, all you need to do then is put your details in and follow the instructions for payment details, and then we'll get this delivered directly to your door. So I ordered my boxes online a couple of days ago, and I even asked for them to be delivered in 2 days. Well, the doorbell has just gone, so let's go and see what it is. Oh, and it's here. Thank you. What service. This is fabulous. I can't wait to get it set up.